Okay, tara. Inom tayo. Starbucks coffee. Hi guys, this is PJ Asurin, and for today we're gonna discuss, hey, if it's your birthday, you'll have a free Starbucks coffee from, of course, Starbucks. So, yun lang. This is your first time visiting my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And please click the join button so that you can be part of my Team Tugtugan channel membership, and you can click the notification bell so that you are updated for any upcoming videos or live stream. Okay, dito sa US, if you are a member of Starbucks, you need to sign up. Yan, you need to sign up and enter your date of birth, and then if it is your birthday, you will receive a notification or an email or a gift from Starbucks that's saying, hey, you have one free drink, coffee drink. And for this one, I ordered Java chip, yan, Frappuccino. And any size you will have, okay? And this is for your birthday. Sa Pinas, alam ko, birthday cake. But for here in the US, free ang isang drink. So what you need to do is to sign up. And then, you need to put your birthday. And then, kapag birthday mo na, you will receive a notification from them that, hey, you have a birthday drink from Starbucks. Okay? Yun lang. Okay. Tara. Inom tayo. Starbucks coffee. Yun. Happy birthday to me. And, yun lang po. Good luck and God bless everyone. This is PJ Azurin. Just want to share that, hey, if you don't have yet a Starbucks account and you want to receive a free drink on your birthday, just sign up and you will receive a notification from them saying, hey, we have free drinks for you. Okay? That's it. God bless everyone. This is PJ Azurin. Bye-bye.